Hello Studio Squad, welcome to Kiata Studio. In this video, you will watch me draw and color this illustration while also suggesting some visual art videos for YouTube. First, I'm saying thank you so much to all of my current subscribers. You are my studio squad. I really appreciate you watching my videos, sharing my videos, commenting and liking them. I also appreciate you supporting my website by purchasing from my website. If someone is currently watching this video and they are not aware of the items that I have available for people to purchase my website, please make sure you go to the link in this video and you'll be able to see everything. I am a full-time artist. I am also a YouTuber that has been on YouTube for years now. I also have created and post over 100 YouTube videos. I know that I am qualified to give YouTube video ideas that are art related. If you are just starting your art career, post a video of you practicing gouache, watercolor, sketching, sculpting, or whatever you are working on. Do an artist tag. An artist tag is a questionnaire that you answer about your art journey, experiences, goals, and more. Ten random facts about you as an artist. Make a voiceover video while you are drawing, painting, sculpting, whatever it is that you create. A pros and con video will explain the advantages and disadvantages of your favorite art medium. Talk about your favorite art supplies. Go shopping at an art store. Do a review on new art supplies. Unbagging new art supplies. A paint with me video using watercolor, oil, acrylic, gouache, and etc. Tour of your studio space where you create your artwork. Do-it-yourself home decor. This is a easy video showing people how they can create a custom piece of art that will match other home decorations. Choosing to work on a different scale. My canvas size of choice usually is an 18 by 24. That is what I usually have to paint with my oil paintings and acrylic paintings, but I have challenged myself and I decided to use miniature canvases for oil paintings. That video is on YouTube right now. You can definitely watch that. Painting a different subject. If someone usually paints landscapes, they can challenge themselves by creating a video of them painting animals, portraits of people, abstract shapes, still life, or something else that is different. Day in a life as an art student. I have vlogged my life as a college student before. If a art student decides to release a video of their day in a life as an art student, it's most important that you keep your personal information sacred. Like, don't release your report card, student inquiry, your exam answers, stuff like that. Just be smart about what you release and show on the video. A day in a life as an art entrepreneur. This vlog would be so interesting because so many people ask me what type of art I create, and I feel like just being in a creative field, a lot of people on the outside may feel inspired about us art entrepreneurs owning our own businesses, using our passions to earn us income, and also they would probably feel proud of us as well because we are able to do this on our own. Release a video that is a short commercial for your new merchandise. If you are an artist and you have merchandise to sell online, this will be an excellent idea. A splatter painting. These paintings are fun, beautiful, and they give my arms a workout. You could make a video of a virtual museum visit. I understand that due to COVID 19, a lot of museums are currently closed, but at the same time, museums that are like very well known and it could be far away from your area are making it available for the public to view their sculptures, paintings, all their collections online, and I think that's so cool. The last one on my list is to make an art challenge video. You can challenge yourself to completely fill out a sketchbook within 1 month, practice drawing faces, or even buying supplies from the dollar store and working with strictly supplies from the dollar store to challenge your art technique. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, share this video, watch it as many times as you want, and subscribe to Kiata Studio on YouTube if you haven't yet.